Namaskar, Jai Ganesh. So, sleeping habits of the zodiac sign, moon signs we are talking about. Your zodiac moon sign planets influencing 12th house and moon and its conjunction. Saturn in horoscope determines a sleeping pattern, habits in bed, and dreams, etc. Although it is a vast subject, at a look at your moon sign gives an idea of your sleeping habits. If you have disturbed the sleep pattern, it can be corrected. So let us talk about the sleeping habits of zodiac moon sign according to the zodiac moon sign and ideas for the improvement to have nice sleep. So first we start with Aries sign, Aries moon sign. Usually they sleep like a log, but whenever something bothers their mind, sleep is lost. They can avoid vivid dreams related to their thoughts, events in their present life during the times of depression or tension. So I suggest Aries should to sleep in cooler rooms with a comfortable bed and zero noise. Again the next sign is Taurus, Taurus moon sign. They need to sleep well to maintain their beauty. Taurians need a tasteful bed, dim lighting, comfortable bed, no noise, hygienic bed, soft pillows to sleep tight. They should avoid attending the phone calls and getting into arguments before sleep. Also, if they sleep early, they will look fresh next day. They must avoid addictions like alcohol before hitting the bed. Gemini moon sign. They are restless sleepers who would like to chat while on bed. Only way they can sleep well is switching off their computers, cell phones before hitting bed. Also, they should avoid thinking of others, collecting all useless information during the next night time. Cancer moon sign. They can help others, including their family members, to sleep well, but they themselves suffer from other excesses, sleep or insomnia. They cannot sleep well during the travel or new places. Only way for them to improve their sleep by arranging a good bed and not taking thoughts about others to the bed. Leo's moon sign. They are lazy even to sleep, can go to better sleep only when relaxed and feel secure. They should leave everything that happened during the daytime outside their bedroom and try to sleep on their back. Virgo moon sign. Too much thinking, planning and worrying can spoil their sleep. They tend to develop a dark circle quickly when suffering from insomnia. They must stop worrying about the future or past, just sleep. Gemini and Virgo need to meditate before sleeping. That's my advice for Gemini and Virgo, because these signs ruled by Mercury. So they have to meditation before the sleep. Libra. Libra needs everything being balanced. Like a sign says, balance. Just like Taurus, they too need good environment to sleep well and look healthy. Scorpio moon sign. They are the night owls of the zodiac. Scorpions can spend entire night either working, reading or browsing, still remain unaffected next morning. But in the long run, they need to develop a good sleeping habit to maintain a health from middle age. Meditation at night can help them. Sagittarius moon sign. They always want to travel. If they cannot, their mind will be travel. They have lots of imagination power. They can cause inaccurate sleep. They should take a long gaps between each trip and imagine less about traveling. Capricorn moon sign. Sleeping is like just another daily chore to complete for them. They maintain timings and sleep as duty to perform at their particular time. They need to learn how to relax during sleep and be less practical in bed. Aquarius moon sign. They are the most sleeping deprived sign in the entire zodiac, even though my moon sign is also Aquarius. They always worry about what others thinking, do or what might happen in the future. The only way for to them to sleep well by switching off all gadgets, practicing yoga and meditation during the nights. Pisces moon sign. They are the most imaginative creatures and would love to dream in a sleep, even a daytime too. They are the daydreamer. They sleep well. For them, dreaming and imagining is the way of self-healing and getting rid of all negativity. They are the spiritual. and can analyze their vivid dreams to which can help them to understand the complicated things. They should sleep wherever their body or mind demands. That is the main thing about the Pisces moon sign. So this is all about the sleeping habits of according to the 12 moon signs. So all the best for my friends. Jai Ganesh. Please share this video to all the patients of insomnia or who's suffering from insomnia. So please share it. Subscribe to my channel. Next time I made another video for the next thing is concerned. Thanks who watched the video. Please comment about this video whether it is wrong or if you want to develop the knowledge of astrology. So that's all friends. Jai Ganesh.